India Automation Challenge 2023, a novel initiative to encourage engineering students. India Automation Challenge 2023 welcomes budding engineers of India to design and build automation systems with practical applications. Industrial automation is published by Mumbai-based IED Communications Ltd, and the company is also organizer of the iconic Automation Expo series of annual exhibition and conference programs. Shri If Subramania Nadar College of Engineering, Kalavakkam, Chengalpattu.
We are at Shiva Subramania Nadar College of Engineering, Kalavakam, Chengalpettu. And we have with us?
I'm Sudarshan.
Sugandhan.
I am Prasanna Perumal.
Great. So, can you tell me what is your basic product concept about and what is the fundamental working?
So actually we designed a Stewart platform. So the Stewart platform is nothing but a parallel manipulators. Like it can move in 6 degrees of freedom, like up, down and rotation axis. 3 pitch yaw roll and 3 axis translation motion can be achieved. So apart from the thing that we designed is quite unique. Like there are pre-existing Stewart platform designs. Like they can use hydraulic jacks to move them, or they can directly use servo motors. But the drawback is the hydraulic system is quite costly to procure. And the thing is with the stepper motor is they can produce less precision. So we want to not compromise both of them. So we develop this design. So this works with gear based system. Here you can see there is a main gear and 6 pinion gears. When the main gear is stationary and the 6 pinion gears moves around it, kind of like a planetary system without the external gear. Like you can move the L brackets around so that the angle of the platform and the height of the platform can be changed.
Since it's a gear-based system, how easy would maintenance be?
So we designed this for manufacturing applications, right? They use like medium load applications. The design is for medium load applications, and these are quite removable, right? If you are to remove the main gear, you can literally take it out from the existing design. You can replace it with the new gear which you have fabricated. Like this can be used for design for manufacturing is also implemented.
What's the overall interface? How does it, communicate with the entire product?
What you mean is like how the system works with respect to the...
Yes. What's the interface for it?
We just use Arduino and CNC Shield for that matter. CNC Shield is an accessory of Arduino, and 4 drivers are used. As far as now, the 4 motors can be moved simultaneously. So some basic actions can also be used right now. So we use Arduino IDE for the coding purposes. So when some movement like angle tilting, movement around movement of 180 degree rotation can also be achieved.
What is the main product material made up of?
Like we use 2 materials for this. One is aluminium for gear structure, and there is MS for the other structures. Like for example, the legs are made of MS, and the ball joints we use this MS.
Great. Why do you think this product is unique?
Sir, I think that product is unique based on its function and its cheap production, sir. Already existing Stewart platforms use hydraulics, which are very costly and which are precise. But other Stewart platforms use new servo motors, which is cheap, but it's compromises the precision. So based on our design, we can tell that the gears, we use the helical gears here for more contact surface. So our design is easy to produce, as cost efficient, and offers more precision, sir, according to other designs.
Great. So your colleague has been mentioning, manufacturing units. If they have to be your end users, is it only going to be limited to manufacturing units, or will there be multiple end users?
No, sir, I don't think the only prospect is mechanical fields, sir. Already the existing Stewart platform is used in various fields, where it's used for aircraft stimulation, then it's used in satellites for the antenna direction. So our product also can be used in various fields. We designed it for mechanical field, but the future scope is very extensive for this product, sir.
Great. How do you think your product should be marketed? Would you want channel partners? Would you want to be a direct seller to the users? What is your idea right now?
Yeah, we are thinking about directly contacting MSME industries. Our main target is MSME industries, where it can be used with their existing application, existing tools. For example, if we take a drill head, it's not very cost effective for them to change the drill bit to change its angle. Instead, they can purchase our product, which is this platform, and the object in which they intend to make the drill can be placed on this platform, and the angle of this platform can be changed.
Great. So we wish you guys all the best for your project, for your product, as well as for the competition.